Hey guys, Jakatadig here. Welcome back sa unboxing channel natin. Last week, very exciting yung recently announced ni Cherry Mobile kasi nirelease nila yung gaming smartphone nila na si Aqua S9 Max. So, based pa lang sa specs, nakita natin na panalong-panalo itong bagong smartphone ni Cherry Mobile. Ngayon, meron tayong another one from Aqua S9 series lineup na i-unbox natin ngayon na isa sa affordable and budget-friendly smartphone. So, ito na guys. Aqua S9. So, bago natin i-unbox, be sure to subscribe para updated kayo sa mga latest unboxing videos natin. Okay? Guys, yung full specs nakapost sa description below. It has 1.6 octa-core CPU, 6.5-inch HD+ IPS teardrop display, quad cam at the back, 13+5+2+2 MP camera, 8 MP front camera, 64 GB ROM plus 4 GB RAM, expandable micro SD up to 128 GB, LTE ready, USB Type-C quick charge, OTG ready, and 5,000 battery capacity. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Aqua S9 smartphone, charger, USB Type-C cable, headset, SIM injector, case, and quick user guide. Next, check natin physically. As for handling, very compact in design. Yung back housing hindi na fingerprint magnet unlike from Flare S8. Ito yung 6.5-inch HD+ IPS display, front camera, top part, 3.5 audio jack, and USB Type-C port. Left side, SIM and micro SD tray. Bottom part, speaker. Right side, power button, and volume rocker. At the back, quad cameras with flash. So, sa mga nagtatanong kung nasaan yung fingerprint scanner, yes, wala pong fingerprint scanner itong si Aqua S9. So, no worries guys, meron naman siyang security face unlock feature. Actually, Aqua S9 comes with 5 colors. Yung gamit natin ngayon is black, jade green, flare red, fusion sky, and yung aqua blue, which is wala tayo ngayong actual sample. Next, check natin UI. So, si Aqua S9 is running on latest Android OS, which is 10. As for UI, it is using Android stock UI. So, mostly preloaded apps are Google apps and basic utility apps. Ang maganda dito, walang preloaded bloated apps. As for Android settings, very common na sa inyo. So, same stock settings like internet, connected devices, apps and notification, battery, display, sound, storage, security, smart controls, and about phone. As for camera UI, it's using Google Camera UI. At camera mode, meron siya auto, manual, burst shot, panorama, audio note, filter, QR code, night shot, and portrait. For video recording naman, meron siyang time-lapse, slow motion, and night shot record. Next, check naman natin benchmark, gaming performance, and sample camera shots. Okay, so natapos na natin yung unboxing hands-on natin dito kay Aqua S9. So para sa akin, kung naghahanap ka ng affordable and budget smartphone ngayon bago matapos ang taong 2020, ito na, sulit na sulit itong si Aqua S9. Kita naman natin pagdating sa specs, octa-core CPU, 5 cameras, big internal storage, big memory RAM, at syempre meron din siyang 5,000 battery capacity. Na based sa actual usage ko, nag-last siya ng at least 1.5 day bago ko i-charge. That includes some gaming via data, Facebook browsing, and some YouTube video via Wi-Fi connection. So ang tanong, magkano? SRP is 3,999 pesos. Diba? Sa presyo pa lang, sulit na sulit na. Okay, abangan nyo ulit guys yung mga susunod ko unboxing and hands-on videos. Thank you.